Well, welcome back to OU Nightly. We have had a very warm April. Here's our temperature trend for April. Only 4 days have been below average, and we can add today to our list of days above average because temperatures are beautiful right now. We are seeing temperatures almost in the 80s here in Norman. Humidity sitting at 54%, so it's still pretty humid out right now. Current temperatures across the metro seeing the 70s and 80s for most of us here in that OKC metro. But if you look down south of I-35, you can see that the Ardmore area is sitting a lot cooler than us. That's because of this cloud cover that's been creeping up into central Oklahoma over the last couple of hours. There's that cloud cover that's keeping them a bit cooler. Now, dew points right now, like I said, it's pretty humid out right now. Here's that dry line that's going to be creeping into the state tomorrow, but we'll talk about that in just a bit. Now, wind gusts right now, some places seeing gusts up to 40 miles per hour. So those drier conditions combined with wind gusts brings an elevated risk of fire danger. You can see western parts of Oklahoma sitting in that red flag warning until 9 p.m. tonight. Fire weather watch out in the eastern parts of the Texas Panhandle. Now, our fire danger forecast as we head into tomorrow. We're going to be pretty humid for most of the day, but then tomorrow evening, here's that dry line I was talking about. Look at the difference. 65% humidity down to 3% up in Woodward. So it's going to be very, very dry out on the Panhandle tomorrow, and that's what's going to cause that critical risk for fire danger tomorrow as well. So looking at our future wind gusts, we can see it's going to be very windy as we head throughout the day tomorrow, but then right after that dry line comes through, we've got a cold front that's going to switch up our winds. They're going to come from the north, and along with that, we do have a chance for severe weather. Here's the severe weather outlook from the SPC. It has the western part of Oklahoma sitting in that slight risk for severe weather. Western parts of Oklahoma City, Enid, Lawton, all included in that slight risk. So what are we talking about with these storms? We do have a chance for tornadoes. The biggest risk is going to be up in Kansas. There is a chance for that damaging wind plus some damaging hail as well if those storms start to fire up. Now, looking at tonight, we are going to be beautiful as we head into this evening. Temperatures dropping down into the 60s, and looking at your 7-day forecast, this weekend's going to be beautiful after that cold front comes through, and then we are going to jump back up into the 70s as we head into next week. So it's going to be a beautiful weekend for us as we head into this weekend. Temperatures sitting in the 60s. So I know Saturday is that OU spring game, so it looks like it's going to be beautiful.